Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Microsoft Edge keeps appearing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Microsoft Edge keeps appearing again and again on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you simple 2 to 3 methods to resolve this issue. The first method is you just need to open the Task Manager. Click on Task Manager. Click on Startup. In this, you need to find your Microsoft Edge. Right click on that and click on Disable. Already I have disabled. You can see here status, it is disabled. If it is enabled, you just need to disable it. Here you can see Microsoft Edge. If you find any MS Edge, you can disable that also. After doing this, just close this window, press Windows plus R key. In this you need to type shell :common space startup and hit enter. In this, if you find any Microsoft Edge file, just you need to delete that shortcut Microsoft Edge files. After deleting, just close this window, click on Start menu, then type here Task Scheduler. You can see here Task Scheduler. Click on this. Just click on Task Scheduler library. Expand this one. If you find any Microsoft Edge related tabs, just you need to disable that one. Right click and click on Disable. Just right click on that and click on Disable. Like this, if you find any other Microsoft Edge related tabs, you need to disable that one. After doing this, just close this window. Just click on Start menu. Then type here regedit and hit enter. Click on yes. In this you can see here HK local machine. Double click and expand. Double click and expand the software and double click and expand the policies. In this, just you need to double click and expand on the Microsoft. Right click on that, click on new and click on new key and rename it as Edge update and hit enter. Just click on that, right click here, click on new, dword 32 value, and here you need to rename it as create desktop shortcut default. And hit enter. Double click on that and make sure the value should be 0. Then click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Edge keeps appearing again and again. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.